Carrying and cleaning tips for your Sony WH-1000XM6. Before we start cleaning, we should ready the following essential cleaning materials. 99% water-based wipes, a soft dry cloth, and cotton buds. Use a soft dry cloth or 99% water-based wipes to wipe the ear pads. Do not use solvents such as thinner, benzene, or alcohol to avoid damaging the surface finish or cause other issues. To ensure the longevity of your Sony headphones, it's important to handle sweat, rain, or dust properly. After use, gently clean the exterior of the headphones with pure water wipes and then with a soft dry cloth to remove moisture and dirt. Avoid exposing them to excessive moisture and always store them in a dry place. Next, let's clean the headband and ear pads. Wipe the headband and hinge area with soft, dry cloth. Finally, cleaning the microphones is essential for clear sound quality. Turn off the power and make sure the USB cable is not connected before removing the ear pads. Carefully remove the ear pads by pulling them straight out from the ear cup. Use a cotton swab to gently clean the mesh in front of the microphones on the headphones. Avoid using liquids directly on the microphones to prevent damage. Make sure to let them dry completely before reattaching. The left and right ear pads are separate parts. The left ear pad can only be attached to the left unit, and the right ear pad can only be attached to the right unit. To reattach the ear pads, insert the 5 claws carefully into its designated slot until you hear a click. You can visit our support website for more information or contact us for further assistance.